7 signs to hire social media agency for your business. Number 1, you are not getting engagement. Number 2, you don't understand the platform that your audience is using. Number 3, your ad campaigns are not delivering results. Number 4, you need more time for other tasks. Number 5, you can't keep up with messages from your audience. Number 6, you are running a tight schedule. And finally, number 7 is you are launching a new service or product for your business. If you find any of these points applying to your business, it might be the perfect time to explore the benefits of bringing on board social media agency like a Fusion 5. In an era where social media sits at the core of marketing strategies, having dedicated professionals oversee the difficulties of social media. Social media is not just a good idea, it's a strategic necessity. With social media playing a pivotal role in shaping brand perceptions and engaging audiences, having a professional agency can make a big difference. Don't overlook the potential impact of social media on your business growth. Whether you opt for a social media agency with a team of experts or dedicated manager, the goal is to ensure that your brand's online presence is not only maintained but strategically optimized. Consider the advantages of having a social media agency to navigate and leverage the opportunities that comes with social media marketing. In summary, social media agency brings a wealth of expertise, time efficiency, strategic planning, creativity, and data-driven insight that can positively enhance your business online presence and your marketing efforts. Fusion 5 is here to help you in your business journey.